Good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. Stephanie Mitchell here. If this is the first time you've caught one of my live videos, I'm here to help busy moms up-level their life and their health. So today I want to talk a minute about staying on track when life gets super crazy. What's up, Mitch? So we've had a really busy last few weeks. We've had family here, like an unexpected funeral and camping trips and whatever. And everything else doesn't stop when you're busy. And so I think a lot of people experience this, especially in summer months when things get really crazy. And especially moms who are trying to run a business from home and all of that stuff. How do you keep on top of that when you've got trips and family visits and all this other crap to do all the time? And obviously, since this is kind of my life right this second, it was on my mind. So I wanted to talk about how I try to keep it all together during times like that. So really the key is, like everything else, living every day intentionally. Because I think most people, what they do is they wake up in the morning and just let life freaking happen. Like, maybe I'll get my stuff done, but really probably not, because you just let the day go, and before you know it, it's over. And then before you know it, the week is over, and then 2 weeks have gone by, and then 3 weeks. And then you think, I haven't gotten anything done that I needed to, and my business has suffered. And you guys, for those of you who have a business from home, business doesn't stop in the summer. To me, when I see people who have a business and then they just let their business go all summer long, that's a hobby. That's not a business. People who work every day don't get to just not go to work in the summer. And so that's something that still needs to be tended to every day, the same way that all of your other duties and obligations and responsibilities need to be taken care of every day. So for me, when we have company in town, I know I'm not going to be able to work like normal. I know we're not going to be able to get all the things done that I need to get done with the kids like normal. So what I do is today's Monday. So this morning, hey Mary, hey Robin. So this morning I sat down before the kids got up, with my coffee before my family who's visiting is up, and really sit down and be realistic about the week that's ahead with company and all that kind of stuff, realizing I'm not going to be able to get everything done, but I have to figure out what has to get done. Hey Kim, glad to see you on here. So you have to do that. You have to sit down and say, okay, what has to get done this week, and figure out when you're going to do it, rather than just thinking that you're going to have time, because you're not going to have time. You're not going to have time. Time doesn't just pop up to get everything done. You really have to be intentional every day if you want to move forward. And so I have a list of things that I need to get done. And of course, when I really look at that and go, I'm probably not going to have time to do all of it, I can intentionally really cross things off and then block in little times where I think I might be able to squeeze out a little bit of time here or there before everybody wakes up, or staying up a little bit later to get that email sent, or do a couple follow-ups, or whatever in the midst of everything else that's going on. So it's really the key, the same as every other day, is just being really intentional about your time, because everybody has the same 24 hours in a day, and we really have to tell our time what to do. Otherwise, it's just going to run away from us. So those are my tips today in the midst of a busy summer. And that's it. So I'll be on a couple more times this week, and you guys have a good day. Bye.